The first task you will need to perform in Thesaurus Payroll Manager before you can commence with your payroll is to add your ROS digital certificate into the software. This is a once-off exercise, and your digital certificate must already be on the same machine as the software itself. To add an employer digital certificate into the software, open your company in the normal manner by going to File and Open Company. Next, go to File, Add Renew Digital Certificate, followed by Employer Cert. Click here to select the digital cert for this employer. Simply browse to the location of where your digital certificate is saved. The file extension of your digital certificate will be either .p12 or .bac. If you are unable to locate your digital certificate, a search can be performed on your machine by typing in these terms. After selecting your digital certificate, you will now be prompted to enter your associated certificate password. This will be the password you use to log into your ROS account. Click OK when complete. The software will now confirm that your digital certificate has successfully installed. Should you wish to test your connection with Revenue, simply click the Test Connection button that is available for you. This will confirm whether your connection is successful or not. If successful, simply close the screen. You'll now be able to retrieve RPNs and send payroll submissions to Revenue. If the connection is unsuccessful, then it is important to go back and check that the certificate has been added correctly.